Here we're going to do a value sketch of a very simple photo. If you look at a black and white photo, value sketch is an understanding of black and highlights. So when we start sketching, we're not looking at the lines itself, but more importantly is actually the block shapes of what makes darks, what make mid value, and what makes highlights. So if you observed, you can see very clearly where the darks are. It's one of the tricks that you can do. You take a color photographs and then you translate that into a black and white photo. On iPhone, there is a setting called Noir. I'm sure it's the same setting in most other phones as well. You can just translate it and you can see very clearly where the darks, where the mids, and where the lights, highlights are. And then, of course, it's a matter of skills to be able to put it down accurately. That's just practice. No magic there. There's no skills that you're born with that you need. You can always learn and pick up these skills. It's not very difficult. So as you can see, the label is white, and then most of the parts of the balls is either dark, or close to darkest dark. So all you do is just take your pencil and try to mimic the same scale colors. So that's pretty much it. Very simple 2-3 minute sketch, maybe a bit longer if you prefer to enjoy it. So yeah, I hope you enjoy that. Thanks.